Guess who's back, motherfuckers?
Bedrock, soft talk, yeah, she like my back shots. All up on the dance floor, watch her make that ass drop. These shells.
Yo. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm gonna go to San Francisco right now. Just do a lot of bullshit. Let me just say, I'm glad I didn't record the trip over here. I'm gonna pack my shit that I have here. Can't show that because I'm gonna keep. Okay, something new about my YouTube channel. I'm keeping it PG-13. I'm gonna try to keep it PG-13 as much as possible. Motherfuckers. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna get through this together, guys. I'm about to fucking...
Something new about my YouTube channel. I'm keeping it PG-13.
Get the shit out of my car, put it in my backpack, and then go have a kick-ass day. You feel me? No, out of service. I'm stupid. There we go. No? No? Oh shit. Look how stupid I am, guys. That's how fucking stupid I am. Alright guys, just got off the Bart station. I don't even know. I'm just going into some random building. I think it's a mall. I'm not even gonna front with y'all. I'm lost as shit, and I just ended up in some fucking fancy ass fucking store. Man, this is them fancy sheets everyone was talking about. Bro, I'm going to sleep. Bro, probably one of the comfiest things.
I just cannot wait till I get right down by the river. Down on the side, want no steady one no more. I ain't gonna steady one more. Jesus gonna let it shine. I said, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Yes, let it shine.
You can hear him singing still, but that was awesome. Cool thing. Alright. We're in the city now. Look at her. What is going on? Got the Bob Marley playing already. Almost to conquer in San Francisco. So let's see what we can get ourselves into. Alright guys, just got my bike. Shit. Anyway, hey, I know you see the sound system. Got the sound system on it. Just an employee that helped me. So if you guys are ever in San Francisco, want to get a bike, come on down, dude. What is it? Blazing Saddles?
Blazing Saddles.
Perfect. Fucking police kicking down a stand because probably no permit or something. Guy just trying to make a living. Look, they're making him fucking dump it out. What a fucking waste.
The money. We're not taking his money. So all the money he made, we take.
So we're gonna know by this that he can't sell? Okay, we respect that. But let him take his stuff. Like, you know?
That's evidence.
What do you mean?
That's evidence.
What do you mean?
That's what's making it illegal.
By you taking that, is it gonna make things work out? You really
Food hella good too.
The judge wants that. We don't make the law. Right? That's what's making it illegal. Right? That's why we're not taking the money. I get it. He gets to keep all the money. That's evidence. This is what we're assigned to do today. There's other cops doing that part. Everyone has their part to do.
You're not gonna win against the city either. They're gonna fucking go against you every time. Hey, there's fucking child molesters, rapists everywhere fucking walking around here right now. And they're not even gonna worry about them. They're gonna worry about someone trying to make a fucking living. It's not the cops' fault. It's the fucking city that makes these laws, bro. That's why we need to stop attacking the cops and start fucking attacking the city that fucking makes these laws, bro. I ain't gonna front with y'all. Just trying to take out the windbreaker. Going uphill and shit. It's not good, man. Alcatraz. We're getting there. One of the checkpoints. We're almost there. Bro, I seen a taco truck right now. Can I get the 3 grilled steak tacos? Alright guys, I got 3 tacos and a Coke, and the total was $16 for 3 tacos and Coke, but fuck it, I'm gonna try them. I think they call it I don't know, cochichi? Something like that. It's so windy, man. It's so windy. This is it right here. Hey, sheesh. some good ass fucking steak, man. That's some good ass fucking steak. That meat is fucking good. 10 out of 10 for sure. So out of 10 on Red Review, I give it 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Turning my bike, guys. Going home. I didn't go to the Golden Gate Bridge. I stopped. It was real windy and I was getting hella dirt in my eyes when I was like going on the dirt track. It's all good. Okay, I can cross, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a scooter now and head home because it is time to go. Oh shit, I know how to do it this time. She. Who is this? Who you? Oh, he looking ass. Look at Janet. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me under my mask good, but it's not a bad day. It was cool. That little FAO, look at what's in my seat. Believe it or not, guys, I took the wrong one and almost ended up in Richmond. So now I gotta take this other one that's going to Hayward and go from there. We finally off that fucking shit, heading home.
Down by the riverside, lay down my sword.
Oops.
Down by the